So my name is Greg Ward and I am Assistant Works Manager at Conway Packing Services. So Conway Packing Services has been going just over 40 years. We have 2 sites in the West Midlands, not too far from each other. We employ around 105 people across the 2 sites on a full-time and a part-time basis. We've been working with Skills Training UK for around 18 months and work quite closely with them on developing the skills that we need as a business.
My name is Jack Forrest Sadler and I'm an export packer at Conway's Packing Services. And I think I was out of employment for about 3 to 4 months and got in touch with the Black Country Impact Programme, who then referred me to Skills Training UK up in Dudley. At Skills Training UK I did a number of qualifications. So while I was there I did my PDE, my maths functional skills, manual handling level 1 and 2 and health and safety levels 1 and 2, and I needed the manual handling and the health and safety to actually get a job here at Conway's.
We saw a great opportunity there to take on younger people who maybe have the skills already, maybe underdeveloped, and it was just a good opportunity to work with a company that we could work with closely to develop exactly what we needed from future employees.
At Conway's I learnt how to knock in a nail without hitting my fingers, which really hurts if you ever do it. A lot of the guys there, they're a bit older than me. There's a much more sort of older age group there, and obviously with a lot of experience there, taught me things to do and not to do.
Hi, I'm Vickie Forrest, General Manager of the Quality Hotel Dudley. When I started working with Skills Training UK, it was mainly just to give young students, young people, opportunity for experience, and just to give them an opportunity for the training and to leave with a good reference at the end of it. But we've had 3 that have been successful. Working with Skills Training UK has been very positive. My local rep that we speak with is Luke. I've built up a really good relationship with him. He lets me know if he's got any students that would be potentials for hospitality. And then down the route we do interviews, and then with the potential to take them on for their placements if they're successful.
I'm Gemma. I'm the F&B assistant at Quality Hotel. When I had my daughter, I had some time off to look after her, and then I went back to the job centre and they sent me to Skills Training UK, and that's when they helped me get a job. At Skills Training UK they helped me do my hospitality, maths and English, PDE and customer service. I came out more confident, definitely, and I met some new friends, and also the tutors were amazing as well.
My experience with the young people coming from skills training is there's quite a variety of people and quite a variety of personalities. They've all come with a willingness to learn, which I think is embedded from the Skills Training UK with the qualifications that they do. It's a requirement that they are eager and they're keen to learn, which is a great attribute for the company. We intend to work with Skills Training UK a lot more in the coming years, and to give people the opportunity to come and work in a work placement works both ways, and it's an ideal situation.
For the young people who are looking to get into employment, I'd advise they go straight to Skills Training UK.
I definitely recommend them to go to Skills Training UK because they help quite a lot out, and I'm just happy that they was able to help me out.
Any other employers that are looking for working with Skills Training UK, it's a great opportunity. It has been for us especially. We get the chance to, as I say, interview them prior to taking on the placements. Then they have 100 hours placement, which we tend to work over the 5 to 6 week period, 20 hours a week. In that time we can do all our training, do all our health and safety with them, inductions, and then by the end of the time with us, if they're successful, then everything's in place and they're just ready to go as a full-time member.
I'd say to other local employers who are thinking about going down this route that it is very advantageous. If you put the time and the effort into Skills Training UK, you will get that back tenfold. It's a great opportunity to work with a local source, to employ local people into local businesses, and it's a fantastic opportunity.